Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You're signed into Ethereal and ready to link accounts. Start now. First, confirm two-factor authentication is on, and you have each social username and password ready, because Ethereal may request immediate re-authentication. Next, navigate to Settings, then Connected Accounts. Tap Add Account and choose the social platform you want to link. This is the first actionable step because Ethereal will prompt permissions right away, so make sure you can approve access without delays to avoid session timeouts. Once you've chosen a platform, Ethereal will open an authorization window, read the requested permissions, and allow only what you need to keep data minimal. After granting access, return to Ethereal where you'll map profile fields and set posting permissions. Decide whether posts are auto-shared or require manual approval. If the platform uses app-specific passwords or token refresh, input those credentials now. Make sure to name the connection clearly so you can manage it later and confirm sync settings for posts and messages. Finish by testing. Create a small test post or pull recent timeline items to confirm the link works. If content doesn't sync, open connected accounts, refresh the token, or reauthorize the platform. Most failures stem from expired tokens or changed passwords. Also verify platform side settings. Privacy locks, rate limits, or third-party app restrictions can block Ethereal. If reauthorization fails, revoke access on the social platform and start linking again. This clears stale permissions and usually resolves the issue.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.